Let's take a look at how you can enter data into Power BI using Power Query very easily. Here we have the Enter Data tab. Next, we are going to input the information, such as a name, for example. So we'll put these names in here using this Input Data tab within this, and it's going to make it a lot easier for you to be able to test stuff out, do different experiments on the data as you build reports. Here, we'll put this in, and then we're also just going to put in some mock values. These are just testing values. We can throw these in here, and it's going to let us see that data very quickly. And as you can see, we have it in there very quick. We're going to then edit the data. This is more so you can see how it works in Power Query. And here is Power Query. It profiles your data, tells you where the values are, where that data is coming from, and shows you the data profiling features so you can easily find any errors or data validation issues. As we move over here, we can then see it's loading this table we put in there. We did do a mock test table earlier, that's why it's loading two. And once we get that here, we can see that it has these two columns. We can then add these columns, and then after we add those columns, we have the name and the aggregate information that is summed in Power BI. And here quickly we can see a bar chart, information for analysis, create analysis lines, constant lines. And right here we can see it's just a table, but if we click this right here, we get 3 bars, shows you an analysis of this visualization, and you have these 3 bars right here. So very quickly we can see that we can mock up some data, see the information quickly, visualize it within Power BI while using the Enter Data feature that is possible here. So if you ever have an issue doing this, you can enter some mock data very quickly, or a small data set, put it in there, join it on your data, and then you have it right there. This is great for just testing out new stuff and letting you try out new features very easily within Power BI by using Power Query and the Enter Data feature.